are in Mexico. Good morning, vlog. I don't know how long this is gonna last before my camera fogs up again from the heat out here, but good morning. It's like 8:15, 8:20, and we are in Mexico. This is actually our second day here. We are getting ready to go to the spa. We are getting a cenote massage. And yeah, I'm gonna try and take you with us along with us, so stay tuned. Where are we going today?
You're gonna go get a massage and a cenote.
We're off to our massages and hopefully to grab a snack before we get there because I'm getting hungry. Banana. We're back from the spa. We got a cenote massage. The massage was wonderful. They really did a great job. My only complaint is the cenote was not exclusive like they said, so we could hear everybody's conversations, which really affected like the relaxation part of it. Hi, baby.
Hey, girl.
How did you feel about your massage?
The massage part was good.
Yeah. You may have to bend down so we both can fit in this camera. But the cenote part.
The cenote part was misleading.
Not worth it at all. But like I said, we're about to go to Amstar to confirm our way home on Saturday. But we still have many days.
4 days.
And then I think we're going to lay out by the pool or go check out the beach.
It's a little cloudy right now.
Yeah, it's a little cloudy, a little windy, but that's okay. We're still going to have a great day. So I'm going to try and take some more clips on my phone. If I can take the camera, I will. And we'll just see what the day has. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. We just finished with the Amstar people, and now we are about to head to the pool or the beach. Haven't decided yet. I have my sunnies. This is the fit. Ready, this man, he works at the resort, but he knocks on the door and he was like, here, a gift for you. And he brings us this little dessert. How precious is that? It's so cute. I just don't know how we're going to eat it because we don't have any silverware.
Take a bite.
Very good.
Wednesday.
It is Wednesday. We have been forgetting what day it is every single day, but it is Wednesday. And now we are getting ready to go to dinner. I think we've decided to just go to the buffet. This is our 1-year anniversary trip, and this is what we came back to. They decorated the bed with all these super cute rose petals, and they made this into a heart. Good morning. It is currently 8:40 in the morning. It is Thursday. So we have today and tomorrow, and then we leave on Saturday, like super early in the morning, to the buffet, which was so good. And then we ended up at a Michael Jackson show, which was absolutely phenomenal. It was so fun. And then they had like a little casino night, so they set up like casino games, and then they gave you like some paper money or whatever that you could play with, and then whatever you won you could bid in their auction. Hold on for a little bit. So anyway, so whatever the fake money that you won in casino, you could bid in their auction, and they had different things in the auction, like a credit towards the spa, some t-shirts, everything like that. It was super fun. And then we went to the sports bar that they have here, which just has like pool and darts and stuff, and people were doing karaoke last night, which was so funny. But me and Justin didn't do karaoke, so then we came back and it was super late, and they had decorated our bed, which I will for sure show you, which was so cute. And then I think that was it. So now we're getting ready. We're about to go get breakfast and then hopefully go to the pool. I want to do the paddle boarding before we leave, so hopefully I'll be able to do that. It's still a little windy here. Not as bad as it was yesterday, but it is still a little bit windy, so I don't know if they'll let me take the paddle boards out, but we'll definitely try. But yeah, I think that's all the update. I think that brings you up to speed on what we're doing. I'm terrible at updating, but now we're going to dinner. Tonight is hibachi night. We have reservations in like 9-10 minutes. And I'm gonna try and show you the fit. So I got this dress from Shein. I don't know if you're really gonna be able to see it, but this is the fit, and then I have my little shoes on. Super cute. I absolutely love it. And then this necklace is from my boutique, and then Shein earrings. So love that. Now we're going to dinner, and I'll definitely take some clips for y'all as well. So see you right here. We just got back to the room. It's like 10:40. Is that what time it is? Yeah. It's like 10:40. We stayed for the 80s show. I will put in some clips as always. It was super cute. I mean, they put on the best shows ever. I mean, Michael Jackson was top notch. 80s night was top notch. Bon Jovi needed some work, but he didn't have any backup dancers or flames. So, I mean, what can you do? But we just got back to the room, and I wanted to show you guys. They turned down our bed for us, so they set up the pillows, and then they pulled the blanket back for us. And then they also set out us some water and like a little cup to drink. So there's Justin's, and then mine, as you can see, is on my nightstand. How precious is that? So they left us some water, and then they turned down our bed. And it's just so sad because tomorrow is our last full day here, and I am so sad about it. But I'm going to try and get as many clips as I can tomorrow for our last full day because I kind of slacked on the beginning. But super excited to get into bed. I'm so tired. But I just wanted to show you how they turned down our bed and left out some water. It was just so precious. So thank you so much for, why am I ending the vlog here? We're not ending it. God, I'm so tired. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is our last day here in Mexico. I'm so sad. But we just had breakfast and then we had to go do our COVID testing to be able to get back into the US. And then now we're all sunscreened up and ready for the beach. I think Justin's gonna take me to go see if we can find some paddle boards so I can paddle board. And then we're just gonna lay out by the pool, I guess, for the rest of the day. There is a Mexican fiesta tonight for dinner. It's like a buffet setup, and a mariachi band is coming. So that's super fun. But we're so sad that it's our last day. Justin, how you feeling?
Tired.
Okay. We've been getting up every morning at like 7 a.m. for some reason, because Lord knows I do not get up that early when we're at home. But we are headed out to the pool. I will try and take some clips so I can post it for y'all as normal.